With a lot of the different projects that we do, it starts with an idea. From there, we're trying to take that idea and to create it, to bring it to life. The work almost always outlasts the creator. Our approach to all of our work is a combination of engineering, creativity, and process, and we're taking all these things and really putting our heart and soul into a given project. One of the things I love about the craft of blacksmithing is that the joy of learning never really stops. It's a continual pursuit of mastery in what we're doing. There's this level of mastery that develops year over year. It's not just hammering metal into a shape, but it's doing it with a refinement and a goal of excellence in such a way that our customer can see it in the end product. That's our goal, that we create something that adds value and long outlasts us.